Okay, this is a fifth degree polynomial, generally impossible to deal with, but for the most part, they're written to work nicely. So the first thing I did with f of x is I try to factor it, and I did get it to factor. And I want to point out, I'm looking at it, and I get roots. And what roots do I get? I get minus 4, I get minus 1, but that occurs twice. And I see a factor of 3 and 3, and that occurs twice. Repeated roots. Let me go back over here and point out, I'm seeing that. And if you want to do sign analysis, you'll also see what else we're going to see over here. I'm seeing the minus 4. I'm seeing the minus 1 occurs twice. It's a repeated root. I'm expecting that type of behavior at the repeated root when it repeats twice. And I'm seeing another one at 3, and again, I'm expecting to see that behavior. Now, fifth degree polynomial, I'm expecting it to sail off, but you could do your sign analysis over there if you want it. All right? The y-intercept, 36. Not bad. Okay. Let's go to the first derivative. What am I expecting to see from that first derivative? I'm expecting to see these min-maxes in the problem. All right? So I'm going to claim, I'm expecting to see this as a relative min. It's not global, by the way. Do I see that? Right over here. I'm expecting to see this as a relative minimum. Do I see that? Right over here. Now someone says, I don't see these. They're more complicated, but they're actually the roots of this. And this has roots. And the roots would be here and here. And these are relative maximums. Relative maximums. Can you figure out those values? Yeah. Just solve this for the 0. That's all you have to do. You'll get those 2 points. All right, with the x values for those points. Now, granted, this one's a little more difficult. All right, numbers are getting nasty. But I want to point out what it's giving me. I'm going to see 3 points of inflection. Let me point out what I mean by that. I'm seeing this over here. It's concave down. And I am going to see a POI here. It might be tough to find, and no, I'm not going to bother looking for it. Concave up. I'm going to see a point of inflection over here somewhere. How many am I expecting to see? 3. Let's keep going. Concave down. I'm going to see a point of inflection over here. No, I'm not solving for that. And then it's concave up there on out. Again, if you go through that analysis, you should get that. All right? Now, granted, I'm more interested in the roots at this point than the other analysis, but you want to go forward on that and try to think about it. All right? Is it work? Yeah, it's work. Thank you.